Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back with the online classes of Iqra Fast by Secondary Schools, a project of Iqra Education System. My brothers, in the last video lecture, we discussed about comprehension exercises in part 1. Today we are going to discuss part 2 of comprehension exercises of chapter number 2, the Vice Caliph. We have already gone through some exercises in part 1. We will start from exercise D in this part. So let's move on to exercise D. Here you are with exercise D. Make nouns from the verbs given below and use both nouns and verbs in the sentences of your own. And the list is bag, live, land, belief, please, give, and speak. We have an example given in our book on page number 5. An exemplified word is speak. Speak is verb and speech is noun. And how you can make sentences? For instance, he cannot speak English. Here we are using speak as a verb. And in the sentence, he made a speech in Urdu. We are using speech as a noun. I have one more example for you apart from the one given in the book. Live as verb and life as noun. When live is verb, we can use it in sentence like this. It is difficult to live in Karachi due to pollution. And life as noun, we can use this word in sentence. In Pakistan, life of many people is miserable due to poverty. So my brothers, this is how you can change the verbs given in the list into nouns and use both verbs and nouns in sentences of your own. Let's move on to the last exercise. Complete the following sentences by using the correct form of verb or verbs placed in brackets at the end of each sentence. I am exemplifying you with two sentences from the exercise, sentence number 1 and sentence number 5. The horseman dash a beggar dash along the road. So here you have to put notice in correct form and here you have to put link in its correct form. Let's see what are the correct forms of these two verbs. As you people have already gone through revision of tenses in the initial lectures, you people must know where to use which form of verb and how many tenses we have and how we have to use them. Here you have to use that ability to use these verbs in correct tenses. The horseman noticed a beggar limping along the road. We are using past simple sentence here. The horseman noticed a beggar, and we are using present participle form of limp. The second sentence we have as an example here on the board. Both the men dash on the holy book. Swear. Swear means to promise, to take an oath. You people have to identify that which tense is the correct tense for this sentence. Yes, this is the sentence of past simple, so we are going to use past form of the verb swear. Both the men swore on the holy book means both the men promised or took an oath on the holy book. My brothers, this is how you have to identify which form of verb, or in other words, which proper tense you have to use in each blank in all these sentences of this exercise E. Let's move on to the last exercise, that is composition. In this composition exercise, you people have to write short notes. As I discussed with you that we have short notes to write in many of the chapters, and short notes are integral part of our board paper. If you are good at it, you are going to get 6 marks, 5 marks for your short notes. You don't have to write any short note from your own. What you have to do is, you have to go to Iqra English Notes, open the relevant chapter and find out the relevant questions which can be suitably used as short notes for that particular question in your composition. For example, describe in 10 sentences the dispute between the rich man and the beggar. So you have a question in your English notes. Question number 4. What was the dispute between the rich man and the beggar? So answer to this question will be considered as a short note of this composition question. Describe in 10 sentences the dispute between the rich man and the beggar. Then we have second question. How did the caliph prove that the beggar was a liar? Question number 8 in your English notes is relevant to this short note. The question is, what did the beggar, the question is, what did the horse do when the beggar touched it? You can write as a short note that there was a dispute between two men, the beggar and the rich. The case was brought forward to the caliph. The caliph, with his wisdom and intelligence, asked both the men to touch the horse. And then from the third last paragraph on page number 3, when the beggar touched the horse, it winced as if it did not like the touch of his hand. Hence, this is a short note for this question. So that's all for today, students. I hope you people have clearly understood part 1 of comprehension exercises and part 2 of comprehension exercises. Now you need to complete your assignment and do it in your registers and submit your registers to your relevant branches at scheduled times. Meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.